On this opportunity, JG Glass will take you to see how the process of production from the beginning to the final production of JG Glass. The first stage is the cutting stage. The raw material used is carefully selected high-quality flat glass.
Proses awal pemotongan kaca, terus habis itu dipotong sesuai ukuran yang dibutuhkan. Setelah itu di sandblasting, harus di sandblasting, dicetak di sebuah cetakan untuk dijadikan botanist.
Cutting is done according to the size of the design using specialized cutting tools. This process requires great concentration and precision. A small mistake can cause the glass to crack or break, so every movement must be precise. JG Glass ensures that each piece has neat edges and is ready to go to the next process. The next process of production at JG Glass is sandblasting, which is a technique of scraping the glass surface using high-pressure fine sand. To generate a strong and stable pressure, a diesel engine is used to assist the sandblasting process. Before the process begins, workers first put on safety gear such as masks, face shields, and gloves. This is important because flying sand particles can harm the respiratory tract and eyes. With careful and even movements, workers spray sand onto the designed part of the glass. JG Glass has several motifs for the design of its decorative stone. Floral, geometric motifs can be applied to the glass surface with maximum results. Behind every product, there is a long process that combines creativity, perseverance, and high accuracy. How does Jonathan feel after running this business?
Mencukupi kebutuhan sehari-hari dan untuk memenuhi kebutuhan lainnya.
After going through several processes, the glass will be cleaned from dust and residual material. This finishing process aims to clarify the product and give it a satisfactory final look. After that, this time we will see how the process of cutting aluminium as a variation for products from JG Glass. They ensure that there are no defects in the products, no faulty or off-design products. After we take a closer look at how JG Glass produces their glass, it turns out that JG Glass not only produces glass, but also decorative stones to beautify the house. And this is how the process of making decorative stones from JG Glass. The first is the process of making the basic ingredients of this decorative stone, namely the process of mixing sand and cement. Stir using enough water to make it evenly distributed. Next, prepare a mold made of very hard plastic material and pour the base material that has been made into the mold. To speed up drying, JG Glass uses casting material so that the base material can dry quickly. Next is the process of leveling the material contained in the mold and sprinkling some cement or casting to refine the surface. So that it can become a perfect product. This initial drying process lasts for 1 to 2 hours, and after that, it will be dried in the sun for 1 to 2 days to maximize drying. After the process of pouring the material into the mold feels dry enough, remove it from the mold slowly so as not to damage the product.